Hey guys, welcome back. If you're using the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, this quick setup will help you capture sharper, brighter, and more professional-looking photos in just a few taps. Let me show you the best settings that will instantly upgrade your photos or videos. By default, your camera settings is not fully optimized. With the right settings, you can improve detail, color, and overall quality without installing any extra apps. Step-by-step settings. Step 1. Turn on Scene Optimizer. First open Camera app, then tap here, and go to Settings. After come to the settings, tap on Intelligent Optimization. Then, here turn on Scene Optimizer. This helps AI adjust colors and lighting automatically. Then go back to Camera Settings. Step 2. Enable HDR. Then Camera Settings here. Then scroll down. Then tap on Advanced Video Options. Turn on Auto HDR. This makes your photos balanced, especially in bright sunlight or low light. Step 3. Use 50 MP mode. Use 50 MP mode for high detail. Switch to 50 MP mode when taking important shots. Perfect for landscape or detailed photos. Step 4. Enable grid lines. Open Camera Settings. Scroll down. Enable grid lines. This helps you frame your shots better using the rule of thirds. Step 5. Turn off beauty filters. Come to the Camera Settings, then scroll down and find Settings to Keep, and open Setting to Keep. Then turn off filters. Step 6. Video Settings. Set resolution and FPS. Go to Camera, Video Settings, set it to 4K at 30 FPS. This gives you the best quality and detail. If you want smoother motion, like gaming or action, use 1080p at 60 FPS. Bonus tip: tap to focus and slightly lower the brightness manually before taking the shot. This gives a more cinematic look. Try these settings and see the difference yourself. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll bring more hidden tips for your phone.